Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation on the IT and ITeS industry. Today, we'll be exploring the world of information technology, what it means, and how it benefits businesses. We'll also look at the key components like hardware and software. This is just the beginning, so let's get started and discover how it plays a vital role in today's digital world. Let's talk about hardware first. When we say hardware, we're referring to all the physical components of a computer that you can see and touch. This includes things like the keyboard and mouse you use to interact with the computer, the motherboard which connects everything together, the monitor that displays your work, and the hard disk where all your data is stored. Of course, cables are essential for connecting these parts, and the printer is another hardware device that helps us produce physical copies of digital documents. Now, hardware is just one side of the coin. The other crucial part is software. Think of software as the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Without software, hardware would just be a collection of useless parts. Software helps the computer perform tasks efficiently by sending commands to the hardware. For example, the operating system like Windows or macOS manages the entire system. Then there are specific programs like word processors, spreadsheets, or graphics software, which help us create documents, analyze data, or edit images. So, in essence, hardware and software work together seamlessly. Hardware provides the physical foundation, while software directs that foundation to work on whatever task we need. This partnership is at the core of how computers operate and why they are such powerful tools in our daily lives. Let's take a closer look at how data processing works in a computer system. A computer is essentially divided into three main units, each playing a crucial role. First, we have the input unit. This is where raw data and instructions are entered into the system, kind of like feeding information into a machine. It helps us communicate with the computer and tell it what to do. Next, we have the central processing unit, or CPU. This is the brain of the computer, performing all the required operations based on the instructions it receives. It processes the data and makes decisions, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Finally, there's the output unit. After the data has been processed, this unit produces meaningful results in a format that's useful for us, whether it's on the screen, printed out, or sent somewhere else. Understanding these three units helps us see how data flows through a computer, making the entire system work efficiently and accurately. Information technology-enabled services, or ITeS, play a crucial role in modern business by enhancing the quality of services we offer. They are often called web-enabled services or remote services because they allow us to deliver solutions from a distance, leveraging the power of the internet and digital technology. These services are typically integrated into a single delivery mechanism, making it easier for end users to access multiple services seamlessly. For example, some common ITeS include medical transcription, where medical records are transcribed, customer relationship management, which helps businesses manage customer interactions more effectively, and data entry and data processing, which are essential for handling large volumes of information efficiently. Other important services are software development, data warehousing, and help desk services, which support the technical infrastructure of businesses. We also have enterprise resource planning, or ERP, and telecommunication services that streamline operations and communication. One of the significant aspects of ITeS is business process outsourcing, or BPO. This involves performing specific business operations through an external service provider, often in another country. India, in particular, is very organized in this industry, with a wide variety of jobs being outsourced here. Some common BPO services include financial and accounting services, e-publishing and web promotion, multimedia and design services, and health services. These outsourcing options allow companies to focus on their core activities while leveraging specialized expertise from external providers. Connecting this to our overall theme, ITeS exemplifies how technology enables us to be more efficient, flexible, and global in our service delivery. It's a vital part of how businesses are evolving in today's digital world. Applications of it are all around us, especially in our homes and daily lives. It makes accessing a variety of services and technologies much easier and more convenient. As it becomes more important, having IT literacy is now considered a necessary skill to help us navigate and simplify our routines. In our everyday lives, we use it in many ways, and one key area is business process management, or BPM. The IT BPM industry has played a significant role in fueling India's economic growth. It offers numerous benefits, both economic and social, such as creating jobs, increasing income levels, and promoting exports. Now, let's take a quick look at the structure of the IT BPM industry. It includes Indian service providers, multinational companies, and global in-house centers. This diverse structure highlights how India has become a major hub for IT and BPM services, connecting local talent with global markets and organizations. Overall, this industry is not only vital for economic development, but also a powerful example of how it can transform industries and improve lives. Now, let's look at some everyday examples of online services that have become a part of our lives. We have online newspapers, which keep us updated with current events instantly. Then there are entertainment programs, think streaming platforms and online channels, that offer us movies, series, and shows anytime we want. We also use appliances like washing machines and microwaves, which are now smarter and often connected to the internet for better control and efficiency. Playing games on our phones and PCs is another popular activity that benefits from the internet, offering a wide variety of options and multiplayer experiences. Shopping has become more convenient with online stores where we can buy almost anything we need from the comfort of our homes. Booking travel arrangements, hotels, flights, trains, and even movie tickets can all be done online in just a few clicks, saving us time and effort. Now, shifting our focus to education, information technology plays a vital role in transforming how we teach and learn. It speeds up the delivery of information, making education more accessible and efficient. New technology is changing traditional teaching methods, making learning more interactive and engaging. Computers and IT are extensively used not only for teaching and learning, but also for assessments. For example, educational resources now include digital textbooks, videos, and interactive content that enhance understanding. Online learning platforms enable students to access courses from anywhere, fostering flexible education. In classrooms, technology is applied through smart boards, projectors, and other tools that make lessons more dynamic. Learning management systems, or LMS, are platforms that organize and deliver educational content, track progress, and facilitate communication between teachers and students. Additionally, audio-visual teaching aids, like videos, animations, and simulations, offer visual and auditory stimulation, making complex concepts easier to grasp. Overall, the integration of it in education not only enriches the learning experience, but also prepares students for a digital future, aligning with the broader theme of how technology is shaping our daily lives and industries. Let's explore how it impacts different areas of our workplace and daily activities. First, in the workplace itself, it plays a vital role in fostering innovation and encouraging creative expression. It helps us manage our time better, work more efficiently, and handle management tasks effectively. Computers and their various applications are central to this, enabling us to perform our tasks smoothly and productively in office environments. Moving on to libraries, it is equally important. It helps record all library activities and services, making operations more organized. For example, computer software is used to issue and return books, streamlining the borrowing process. Additionally, books are equipped with magnetic strips that are deactivated when a book is borrowed, which helps prevent theft and keeps track of inventory. In the realm of business and marketing, it truly transforms how we operate. It enables e-commerce, allowing us to market products online, browse catalogs, shop conveniently, and process orders seamlessly. Furthermore, communication has become more flexible and instantaneous through emails, video conferences, and mobile devices, people can now work from virtually anywhere, breaking down geographical barriers and increasing productivity. Overall, IT's integration into these areas highlights its vital role in making our work and services more efficient, innovative, and accessible. Let's talk about how it is transforming banking and insurance. As you can see, all customer data and transactions are recorded electronically by computers, making processes more efficient and secure. For example, things like recurring deposits, which we also call ERD, and fixed deposits, or EFD, are managed digitally. Money transfers through methods like NEFT and RTGS, as well as online transactions, are now commonly done via the internet, allowing for quick and easy access to financial services from anywhere. Moving on to communication, it plays a crucial role here too. We use it for sending and receiving emails, which keeps us connected professionally and personally. Chatting apps enable instant conversations, making communication faster and more convenient. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, helps us share large files securely, while Telnet allows remote login to computers over a network. Video conferencing has become essential, especially in today's world, for face-to-face meetings without being physically present. And of course, we also communicate with friends and family through various apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. These platforms have revolutionized how we stay connected, share moments, and interact across distances. So overall, it has become an integral part of how we manage finances and communicate in our daily lives, making everything more efficient, accessible, and connected. Now, let's take a look at how it is transforming different sectors. In entertainment, for example, we can easily download and view movies, play a variety of games, chat with friends, and use multimedia. Computers also let us incorporate amazing visual and sound effects, making our entertainment experiences more immersive and fun. Moving on to healthcare, this is a huge area where it plays a vital role. It's often called Health Information Technology, or HIT. It encompasses a wide range of technologies used in medical science. For instance, electronic health records allow doctors to access patient information quickly and securely. Clinical decision support tools help healthcare professionals follow the latest guidelines for treatment. Patients can also engage more actively with their health using various tools, and appointments with doctors can be scheduled and managed through computers. Additionally, medical imaging systems, laboratory information systems, health information exchanges, and advanced medical devices all rely on it to improve patient care and streamline processes. Finally, in government and public service, it is helping governments become more accessible and efficient. In India, initiatives like Digital India and e-governance are key examples. Computers are used in many areas, from managing public records to providing online services. These technological advances make government services faster, more transparent, and easier for citizens to access, connecting back to the overall theme of how it drives progress across different sectors. Thank you for staying with me through this overview. As we wrap up, I want to briefly touch on some key departments involved in our financial and administrative processes. First, we have the Income Tax Department, which is responsible for collecting taxes on individual and corporate incomes, ensuring everyone contributes fairly to the nation's development. Next is the Sales Tax Department, which handles the taxation on goods and services at the point of sale, playing a vital role in revenue collection. We also have the preparation of votes, which is essential for allocating government funds to various projects and services. Without proper planning here, government functions wouldn't operate smoothly. Then, there's the preparation of PAN cards, a crucial identification tool that links taxpayers to their financial activities, making tax compliance easier and more transparent. And finally, I want to thank you all for your attention and engagement today. These departments and processes are interconnected, forming the backbone of our financial governance and ensuring the country functions efficiently. Thanks again for being part of this presentation.